In this video, I will be providing you the FundedNext promotion codes. So in order to get those codes, make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about this. In this video, I will be showing you where to get them and how to apply them and how to see which code is verified or not. So let's dive right into the video. So here you guys can see that if you go to the Google Chrome and search the FundedNext promotion codes, you will see a bunch of websites. So once you're on the main page, I will show you which ones are the best websites in order to get the best promotion codes. So I really recommend and trust WeThrift website and the couponburst.com. So here you can open it up. So this is the main page for the WeThrift website, and here you guys can see that FundedNext coupon and the discount codes for the October month of 2024. So here's the code for the 10% off. The best FundedNext coupon code is WeThrift. So once you go it, you will see that WeThrift promotion code that gives you 10% off. So there's another code which says 10% off with the code Lucky10. And here are more codes like 30% off plus 85% lifetime payout for 15% profit share. So this is the code that you can use. So there's another website says Simply Codes. Here you guys can see that there are a bunch of codes that you can use. One is to this best FundedNext deal is over here 120% refund store-wide at the FundedNext. All you have to do is to click this button and you will be redirected to the web page of the promotion code where you can simply copy the promotion code. So here you guys can see that the promotion code is over here, and all you have to do is to press on the copy button and your promotion code will be copied. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.